ijele elu ego mụ na onye ga-agba egwu obudu mụ na onye ga-agba egwu mụ na onye ga-agba egwu ma ijele mụ elu ada ndị Igbo nọ mụ na-ekwu onye ọma njeje mba mụ na ijele mụ elu ọnụ je mara mba nọ mụ na-agụ nwanne m ijele elu ego mụ na onye ga-agba egwu. Ndewonu, afam bụ Chiomoji, aka Ada ndị Igbo, aka Chibibiti, Beauty, Brains and Talents. Let's add this aka Chi Everything. Good day, everyone. This my announcement is for both Igbos and non-Igbos. So last year, Abuja Igbo Festival was massive. So I'm here to introduce to you Abuja Igbo Festival 2.0. Last year, Abuja Igbo Festival was colorful, beautiful, display of skies, food, and everything. The attendance was massive, with more than 2,000 people in attendees. Very beautiful and glorious. But this year is going to be very massive. A lot. You're going to see celebrities of all kinds. You're going to see chiefs, kings coming from all over Nigeria, even coming from diaspora. They are going to be there. And guess what? This festival is not just for only Igbos, as non-Igbos are invited. I mean, it's a festival. Come and see the way the Igbo people do their things. The non-Igbo people are especially welcome. So Abuja Igbo Festival 2.0 is coming up on the 13th of July 2025. Let me give you a recap of the video.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zabu, zabu, reigning by master. Toya dike, nenu dike. Toya dike, nenu dike. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwe chenjigo. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwe dagarigo. Omarunga basi.
A people known for our rich cultural heritage, our vibrant traditions, and the unbreakable bonds that unites us. On the 13th of July 2025 at the Old Parade Ground, Gariki, Abuja, we shall gather to celebrate the spirit of Igbo Amaka, a symbol of strength, resilience, and community. Abuja Igbo Fest is not only for the Igbos, but for everyone who loves the Nigerian culture and tradition. Let's all come together and celebrate our heritage. Ndim Igbo Amaka.
Okay, wait a minute. You can see me there, right? That means I'm going to be there live to be your co-host. Guys, I know you want to see me. So if you want to sponsor this program, for those that want to sponsor this program, please inbox me, okay? Igbo people that want to sponsor this program, non-Igbos that want to sponsor this program, inbox me. And also, there are slots and tables. There's VIP side. For the VIP, 50,000 naira. If you are coming alone, they reserve a VIP seat for you, 50,000 naira. Then 200,000 naira for 5 people, table of 5. You're coming with 5 people, VIP, 200,000. These are odogus, all the odogus. You just say, okay, let me bring my fellow people. 200,000 naira. Then you have the Ebube DK. This one's money na water. Yes, this one's 500k. Table for 10. Please come. This program is also for Igbos and non-Igbos. Both non-Igbos, you can get that seat. That's why it's a festival. Come and see the way the Igbo people display their culture, their tradition, their food, what they do, what they like. Come and learn about the Igbo people. A lot of celebrities will be there. A lot. Last year was massive, but this year is going to blow your mind. It's going to be happening at Old Parade Ground, Abuja, and it's going to happen on the 13th of July 2025. Since I'm going to be the co-host of that event, if you want to sponsor this program, sponsor this program, you can write me, we can talk, because I won't know who wants to sponsor, but writing me to tell me, because we are going to give awards to the sponsors and also people that have contributed that day, people that are contributing. I urge Igbo people, help to make entertainment in Igbo land grow.